This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to get a free trial of Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, I am on a page right here that is giving you a 7-day free trial to Adobe Premiere. So if you want this free trial, I have my link just below this video in the video description. Click on my link and you will find yourself on a page like this, or very similar depending on how they change the pages over time. You can see that I explain the full process here. This is a free 7-day trial. You don't pay any money, and they also offer you a 14-day free money-back guarantee. So you essentially have 21 days to make a decision over whether this is the right platform for you. You can check out Adobe Pro with no limitations. Adobe Premiere Pro, I should say, with no limitations. All you need to do is click on this button at the top, start the free trial, and we're just waiting for Adobe service. Once that kicks in, we will see the information here in this pop-up, and it's popped up now. So you can see we've got the Premiere plan selected here. You could also go for the Creative Cloud Pro plan if you want 20 plus apps. That includes Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe, Acrobat Pro and Premiere Pro, as well as all the others. They have a student and teacher discount currently and a business plan separate, depending on whether that is you. This is a 7-day free trial. Like I say, no money is taken until that free 7-day trial has elapsed. You will fill out your details here and then click continue. I won't go through the full process here, but once you've entered your details, you will download the apps, whether that is just Premiere on its own or whether it's the whole Creative Cloud Pro suite. So hopefully you found this video on how to get the 7-day trial of Adobe Premiere useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.